A water wall is a great addition to any home. Not only does it add a beautiful focal point, but it can also help to create a sense of calm and tranquility. In Feng Shui, water is associated with wealth and prosperity, so a water wall can also bring good luck to your home. In addition to the aesthetic benefits, water walls also have some health benefits. The sound of running water can help to mask unwanted noise and promote relaxation, and the mist created by the water can help to purify the air and reduce stress levels. If you're looking for a way to add some style and serenity to your home, a water wall is a great option. The Liupon's Water Wall Kit is the perfect way to create a stunning water wall feature in your own backyard. The ready-to-finish kit includes a hose, pump, spillway and connection fittings, so you can easily set up the water wall system quickly. Simply add your personal touch by adding different wall finishing, example using stone cladding or mosaic tiles to the facing of the wall. You can use timber, steel, brick or Besser block to construct your wall structure. The Liupon's Water Wall Kits will suit all these wall types. So why not add a beautiful focal point to your outdoor space? Get the look of a luxurious water feature without the expensive price tag and enjoy your water wall all year round. Impress your friends and neighbors with your amazing DIY skills and create a relaxing oasis in your own backyard. Head on to DIYmegastore.com.au or contact us to help you get started with your water wall project.